Welcome back to The Examined, where we dive deep into the topics that matter most to you. Today, we're exploring healthy dinner ideas that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also support your weight loss goals. Remember, sustainable weight loss isn't about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods. These 5 dinner ideas are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and high in satisfaction. Let's get cooking. Who says you can't enjoy pasta on a diet? This zucchini noodle dish is a low-carb alternative that's both delicious and nutritious. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchini, spiralized, 8 ounces shrimp, peeled and deveined, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnish. Why it's great for weight loss: low in calories and carbs, high in protein and nutrients. The zucchini provides fiber to keep you full, while shrimp offers lean protein to support muscle maintenance during weight loss. This vibrant bowl is a feast for both the eyes and the stomach, offering a perfect balance of complex carbs, lean protein, and healthy fats. Ingredients: 1/2 cup quinoa, cooked, 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, 1/4 avocado, sliced, 1/2 cup roasted chickpeas, 1 cup mixed greens, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, 2 tablespoons hummus, lemon tahini dressing. Why it's great for weight loss: balanced macronutrients keep you full longer. The variety of vegetables provides essential vitamins and minerals with few calories. This simple yet elegant meal is packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and fiber-rich vegetables. Ingredients: 4 ounces salmon fillet, 1 cup Brussels sprouts, halved, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 lemon, salt, pepper, and herbs to taste. Why it's great for weight loss: salmon is rich in protein and healthy fats, which promote satiety. Brussels sprouts are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients. This aromatic curry is a vegetarian delight that's full of flavor and nutrients without excessive calories. Ingredients: 1/2 cup red lentils, 1 cup mixed vegetables, carrots, cauliflower, peas, 1/4 cup light coconut milk, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 small onion diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt to taste. Why it's great for weight loss: lentils provide plant-based protein and fiber, promoting fullness. The variety of vegetables adds volume with minimal calories. This one-pan wonder brings the flavors of the Mediterranean to your dinner table, along with its well-known health benefits. Ingredients: 4 ounces chicken breast, cubed, 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, 1/4 cup olives, 1/4 cup feta cheese, 1 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon olive oil, oregano, garlic powder, salt, and pepper to taste. Why it's great for weight loss: lean protein from chicken, healthy fats from olives and feta, and low-calorie vegetables make this a balanced, satisfying meal. Incorporating these dinners into your routine can support your weight loss journey by providing balanced nutrition, keeping you satisfied with high-fiber ingredients, offering lean proteins to support muscle maintenance, introducing variety to prevent diet fatigue. Remember, sustainable weight loss is about making lifestyle changes you can stick to. These dinners prove that eating for weight loss doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or satisfaction. At The Examined, we believe in empowering you with knowledge and practical solutions. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your health, or simply enjoy delicious, nutritious meals, we're here to support your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to The Examined for more in-depth looks at health, nutrition, and wellness topics that matter to you. Together, let's examine the path to a healthier, happier you.